Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So this reading is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Okay? Ang reading po natin ngayon ay love reading and hopefully makarelate ka, makaresonate ka. Pero kung hindi, wag mo namang ipilit, no? Maaaring hindi ko man makuha yung energy mo ngayon, maybe next time. So, mag-subscribe ka lang sa ating channel. Kung nakuha ko naman, maybe hindi 100%, so, kunin mo lang yung energy na magre-resonate sa'yo. Anyway, this is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter, Libra. Okay. For Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Libra. Okay. Meron ka ditong Two of Swords and the Ace of Wands. Okay. Meron ditong the Fool and the Two of Pentacles. Okay. And kunin ko na rin yun sa person mo, guys, ha, para para sunod-sunod ang reading or tuloy-tuloy ang reading. May TikTok ako, guys. Doon sa aking TikTok shop, meron akong bagong product doon na pwede mong ma-avail if you want to know kung compatible kayo ng person mo. At titignan ko yan sa inyong pinaka natal chart. Astrology reading yan, guys. If you want, if you're interested, feel free to check it out. No? Para malaman natin kung itong taong ito, kung match ba kayo. Okay? And let's start. Okay, you do have here running and avoiding. Divine masculine, and there's this love right here. Bottom of the deck is the retaliation. Okay. I feel like this connection, pwedeng may high chance that there's another person na involved sa connection, especially the Three of Swords. This is third party situation, third person, third people in your life. So, pwedeng sa side mo, pwedeng sa side niya. Pero pwedeng sa side mo, kasi you both have twos. And you do have here Two of Swords, Two of Wands, and the Two of Pentacles. So, parehong may sa side ninyo. And that could also mean another person sa life ninyo. No? And maaaring ito ang nagiging dahilan kung bakit may separation sa inyong dalawa. But I can see balance energy. So, might be may separation man ngayon, pero maaaring tama lang, kumbaga healthy kind of separation. And there's this love sa isa't isa. Kaya nga anong nangyayari ay parang nagkakaroon ng healthy boundaries sa inyong dalawa. And also at the same time, pwedeng nire-respeto mo yung person mo, at kung siya ay may relasyon, hinire-respeto mo yung relasyon nila. And kung ikaw naman ito na may kakonek, pwedeng yung person mo, nire-respeto niya yung relasyon na meron ka sa iba. And you do have here the High Priestess, so this could be a soulmate or twin flame connection. And sa ngayon, basta nagfo-focus ka sa growth mo, kung ano man itong sisimulan mo or sinisimulan mo. And I feel like there's a lot of courage here with the Fool. So, nandito yung lakas ng loob mo, yung tapang mo na harapin kung ano man itong new beginning na ito. And I can see that this is your priority right now. Pwedeng hindi itong person man na ito ang priority mo, but definitely, whatever is happening in your life na pwedeng kailangan mong pagdesisyonan, gawa na ang aksyon, or any new beginnings in your life, nandito ang focus mo. The Two of Wands, this is with regards to your person. Nakakita tayo ng mga plano ngayon with regards sa kanyang finances, sa kanyang career. It has something to do with the Six of Pentacles, so pwedeng ito ay may kinalaman sa pagtulong. And with the Seven of Wands, I feel like this person is eager na maisakatuparan kung ano man itong plano niya na ito. Okay? So, yeah. Ano ang emosyon nyo sa isa't isa? Although nakita naman natin that there's love, maybe there's something more na masasabi sa atin regarding sa emotions ninyo sa isa't isa. We'll see about that. So, yan. Okay, you do have here the Nine of Pentacles, the Two of Cups, and the the King of Swords and the Star. So, ano namang emotion niya para sa'yo? Knight of Cups, the Four of Wands, and the Lovers. By the way, kanina pa ako hindi mapakali. Kasi, may, anong tawag dito? Yung moth, butterfly na moth, alam mo yan. And it's a brown moth. Nandito sa aking, nasa dulo ng aking kristal. So, I would like to show you guys. Ayun siya, nananahimik siya dun sa sulok at hindi ko alam kung paano siya napunta dun, guys. And I know that's one of my guide, no? Di ba ang weird? Nandun pa siya sa loob ng wire. Imagine kung paano siya nakapunta dyan. Eh, nandito po ako sa kwarto, wala po ditong bintana. May pintuan, pero yung pintuan nakukuperan pa siya ng curtain, no, ng kurtina. So, imagine kung paano nakapasok yung moth doon, diba? Walang bintana yung kwarto na itong akin kung saan ako nagre-reading. Okay. Anyway, meron akong konting ventilation, pero nasa may bandang taas na nitong pader. And, hindi naman siya wait lang guys, tinatali ko lang yung buhok ko, so kinikwento ko lang habang nagtatali. Ano siya, sobrang maliliit na yung yung kumbaga impossible na rin na doon siya makalipad at makapasok. If you want to see, okay, I will show it to you, wait lang. Okay, so yun yung sinasabi ko. So okay, so nakita mo yun, yung bintana na yun, yun lang yung pinakabintana dito sa kwarto at nasa may bandang malapit na siya ng kisame. Okay. Anyway, hindi ako takot doon sa spirit guide, but I am actually more on takot doon sa insekto, no? Kasi hindi ako sanay makakita ng insekto. You know, okay? So, anyway. Kumbaga, ever since, no, I was like a child, talagang sa bahay lang po. Kaya, hindi ako sanay makakita ng mga, or hindi ako sanay na makakita ng mga ganyan. Yung ganyan, of course, laging meron. But, you know, yung makasalamuha, yung makahawakan, malapit lang. Yung medyo malayo sana, okay lang nasa taas ng kisame, gano'n. Pero yung, you know. Anyway, let's get back to your reading. Hindi lang ako mapakali, guys. Gawa ng baka siya lumipad. Okay, the Nine of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and this is your emotion sa person na ito, na pwedeng, okay, pwedeng, you do love this person, no? Pero yung pagmamahal na nararamdaman ko sa'yo is like, I don't know, like, a father figure, mother figure. Hindi naman sinasabi ko na parang tingin mo sa kanya anak. Pero yung pagmamahal na kayang ibigay ng isang magulang sa isang anak, parang ganun. Nagets mo? Kung ano man ang gawin niya, or ano man ang pagkakamali niya, or kung ano man ang sakit na iparanas niya in the past sa'yo, or naranasan mo, nandun yung acceptance. You know, you do have your the King of Swords, and it is showing to me as a father figure, na parang, alam mo yung tipo ng anak na parang, umalis ng bahay, lumayo. So, with regards sa connection ninyo, pwedeng may separation. Pero, ina-acknowledge mo yun and pwedeng nandun pa rin yung pagtanggap sa'yo. So, anytime na parang magkaka-chance or babalik itong person na ito sa buhay mo, I feel like you are welcome na i-accept itong person na ito. Nandun yung being welcoming energy. But of course, hinahayaan mo lang siya with regard sa mga choices niya sa buhay, kung ano yung pinagdadaanan niya ngayon. Parang inaalaw mo lang na yung universe na ang kusang magbigay nito sa'yo. Of course, you do love your person. Pero, and yung the star, this is you're having this wish fulfillment na gusto mong ma-meet itong person na ito or gusto mong makita itong person nito, maybe in the future, maybe if not now, but in the future. Pero nandun yung pagnanais or paghahangad mo pa rin doon. With regards sa iyong person, with the Knight of Cups and the Four of Wands and the Lovers, I feel like gusto ng commitment ng person nito. And there's also love here with the Knight of Cups, and especially ang nasa gitna ng inyong reading or sa inyong cards is that card of desire. So this is lust, sexual chemistry. So this is not just a sexual connection or what, pero there are times na pwedeng nagkakaroon ng fantasies sa inyong dalawa, and you know that because you know it's yourself. Alam mo kung nagkakaroon ka ng pag-iisip dito sa person nito sexually, hindi man lagi or hindi man madalas, but there are times, no? And dahil dito, this person loves you. I mean, hindi dahil sa part na yun, the sex life, but you know, with the Knight of Cups, dahil doon sa pag-i-imagine na ginagawa ninyo, in a way, meron kayong connection. May separation man, pero may connection, maybe spiritually. At the Four of Wands, itong person nito gusto niyang i-offer yung kanyang emotions towards you. Gusto niya ng stability and gusto niya ng relationship. If ever that there is person na involved sa connection ninyo, I feel like connected na lang, or maybe ang connection with that person is regarding children, no? Kumbaga kung bakit may problema or hindi nag-work out or hindi natutuloy yung connection ninyo, hindi dahil sa person na yun mismo nakakonect niya. Okay? If this is you na may kakonect na person, maybe even both of you, no? Kung ikaw ito may kakonect na person, hindi dahil do sa person mo. Kasi actually, the way I see this, lalo na sa side niya, yung connection ninyo, there's love, tapos sa side ng person na ito, kaya niyang iwan yung person na yun eh. You know what I mean? Kung halimbawa magka-problema sa kanila, magkaaway sa kanila, kaya niyang iwan eh. Pero ang nagiging main problem is the children or the child, kung meron. Ito yung nakikita natin na nagpapa-imprison sa kanya. Na pwedeng mentally, sa isip niya, parang, nako, ayoko na itong anak na ito ay lumaki na hindi maganda yung future dahil wala ako, etc. So, may mga ganon. So, might be, ito yung nasa isipan ngayon ng person nito. Although, alam natin, mahal niya yung child na involved dito or in your side, gano'n na rin, no? Pwedeng you do love the children, but more on sa side niya yon ko nakikita. I don't know, maybe some of you, nandun yung Five of Swords energy sa connection na ito, na parang kung ano man yung mga changes, mga chaos na nangyayari sa buhay ninyo, parang sa ngayon, hinahayaan nyo na lang muna kasi it is like a connection na parang unti-unti kayong nagtatransform sa isa't isa. While in separation. Okay, what will happen in the future for the both of you? Actually, you do have the Two of Cups and the Lovers. So, both of your side ay nagpapakita na gusto ninyo ng relasyon. Gusto nyo isakatuparan or isabuhay itong connection na ito. So, definitely, for some of you, nararamdaman din ng person mo kung ano yung spiritual na connection na meron sa inyo. And then, in the future, you do have the Moon, the Star, the Moon. I like that combination sa side mo, no? The King of Cups. And tell me about this. You do have here the Emperor. I can see a lot of offer, by the way. Knight of Pentacles. Mga offers na paparating sa'yo. And what will happen in the future? Please tell me. Kunin din natin yung sa side ng person mo. This is for the sign of Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. I can see two mature people here. Gusto ko yon. Queen of Swords is here. King and Queen of Swords, yan. So actually, that's the both of your energy. Alam mo, sa lahat ng King and Queen dito sa tarot decks, the Queen and King of Swords is the combination of King and Queens na parang medyo cold ang energy. So maybe there's separation, so may pagiging cold sa connection na ito. But yun nga, pwedeng kasi may mga rason. But anyway, what is the mutual energy here for the Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter sign Libra? You do have here the twin flames and the Archangel Michael. So nakikita natin this connection is actually guided by your angel guides, spirit guides. So like what I've told you, pwedeng may twin flame connection sa inyong dalawa. And I feel like itong connection nito is very protected. Protected by the universe. You do have here the moon. So nakikita natin in the future, you will be more aligned sa iyong spirit. I can see you na parang the moon is parang tahimik na vibe, and with the maybe some of you medyo maglalaylo ka with regards to other people, hindi lang sa person na ito, pero with other people like your friends, colleagues, ganyan. Pwedeng gusto mo muna ng katahimikan, although nandun yung importance nito mga taong ito sa'yo, binibigyan mo sila ng importansya. But with the Emperor, I'm seeing that hindi ka nagpapa-apekto sa emotion mo, or you want to have your own time, and kasi I can see as a person na pwedeng, maybe you are the kind of person na alam mo na ang nagdidesisyon sa'yo is ang puso mo at hindi ang isipan mo. So the Emperor, you want to use kung ano yung you want to decide or do something na alam mo kung ano yung tama, no? So with the Knight of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, I feel like you're in a journey na parang pagdating sa realidad, in the future, pwedeng ayaw mo kasi na puso mo muna yung masunod. Okay? I'm talking about friends. For example, yung friend mo is kailangan nyo lumayo or umalis, or maybe your co-workers, pwedeng ganon. So, parang dahil sa emotion mo, ayaw mo napigilan itong taong to dahil pwedeng yun yung makakabuti para sa kanya. So, you know what I mean? And, yeah. Knight of Pentacles. Clarify pa natin what's with the Knight of Pentacles para meron pa tong message para sa'yo. The Three of Swords is here. I feel like may magandang offer sa'yo in the future pagdating sa pera, but there's this Three of Swords. Clarify this Three of Swords. The Chariot. Maybe coming from a person who hurt you in the past. Pwedeng ganun. And with the Chariot, itong person na ito might travel to see you. Kasi Knight of Pentacles and the Chariot, those are like travel cards. Pwedeng natagalan pa nga with the Knight of Pentacles. Pero soon, nakakita ko ng pagta-travel mula dito sa person na ito. And with the Three of Swords, I feel like this person is going to make it up to you by offering something. So, kung ano man yung pain na ginawa niya in the past, pwedeng babawi siya ngayon. And this person is going to offer you something. The Hierophant in the future, nakakita tayo sa side ng person mo ng maturity. You know why? Kasi with the Queen of Swords, nakakita tayo ng kalungkutan. Okay? Queen of Swords, and the Five of Cups. Nakakita tayo ng kalungkutan. Kung ano man itong ika-cut off niya sa buhay niya, no, in the future, definitely would cause a lot of pain and sorrow para sa side ng person mo. But there's definitely pagka-cut off or pag-alis sa isang bagay or sa isang sitwasyon. The Six of Cups is showing to me as, I don't know, it's weird kasi hindi naman talaga dapat ganito yung emotions na mararamdaman ko dito. But it's like a person or a woman here na parang alam mo yon, saying goodbyes at nagre-ready na umalis sa something. So it will hurt this person so much kung ano man itong aalisan niya. Ay nakakita tayo dito ng pagtitake ng risk about something in the future. So yeah. Ano yung advice para sa'yo? Kung gustong kumuha ng advice for you, so I will get that. You do have here the Eight of Swords. What's with the Eight of Swords? Eight of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles. One more card. The Queen of Cups. Yeah. You do have here the Ten of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy, the Death card, and the Five of Pentacles. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, kung ano man yung mga dapat mong i-end, and maybe hindi ka nakikinabang dito but rather ikaw pa nga yung naaabuso. Whatever this thing is, or maybe something na parang hindi ikaw ang nagbe-benefit, pwedeng may mga nawawala sa'yo, or maybe with regards sa career or finances, hindi ka kumikita ng maayos dito, whatever this thing na kailangan mong i-end, obligasyon or what, with the Ten of Wands, you need to end this. Isa ito sa nakikita natin, kailangan mo i-end. Or, just allow the ending to happen. Kasi nakita tayo ng ending, but rather, hayaan mo, no? For example, if you do have a business, no? Tapos hindi nag-work out yung business because there's a lot of employees, pwedeng ganon, and ang tendency, abonado ka. So, some of you need to end yung pagiging maawain or what, and kung may mga dapat mawala or alisan or alisin, and i-allow mo lang yun, hayaan mo lang yun, because I'm seeing na pwedeng hindi na maging welcome para sa kanila in the future, because of course pwedeng hindi, kasi nga parang pwedeng hindi ka masyado nabe-benefit or ikaw pa yung nag-aabono. So yung pag-alis nila is something na kailangan mong just trust the process, especially in the future. Meron tayong in the future meron tayong Archangel Michael, so this is some kind of protection. Magtiwala ka lang, trust the divine timing na nangyayari sa iyo, trust etong mga tao na mawawala sa buhay mo at tatating sa buhay mo, like trust the universe na ito ay hindi para sa'yo or para sa'yo kaya ibinibigay sa'yo, okay? Or kung may aalis man, aalis sila because there's something new na dadating sa buhay mo. And also, we do have here the Four of Pentacles. So, of course, you need to, mahalin din naman yung mga pinaghirapan mo. They are given to you. Tapos, yung iba naman kasi sa inyo, you're not thinking about yourself. Nagpapakahirap ka lang with the Eight of Pentacles, and then this with the Eight of Swords. Ikaw lang ito na pinahirapan mo yung sarili mo. What I see here is you need to love yourself. It's okay to love other people, pero unahin mo muna ang sarili mo. And that is your reading for the day. Thank you for watching. Sana nakarelate ka, nakaresonate ka. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam P TV, Virgo Philippines, Tapit Hapon TV, Water Sign Philippines, Madam P Vlogs, Libra Philippines. And yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.